Today, we're sharing 10 essential farming tips that every beginner needs to know. Whether you're starting small or dreaming big, these tips will set you on the path to success. Let's dive in. 1. Start with research. Before planting anything, research your local climate, soil type, and what crops or livestock work best in your area. Knowledge is power. 2. Plan your farm layout. Map out your farm. Plan where to grow crops, place livestock, or store equipment. A well-organized farm is easier to manage. 3. Invest in quality soil. Healthy soil is the foundation of a productive farm. Test your soil, add compost, and ensure it's rich in nutrients. 4. Begin small, think big. Start with a manageable plot or a few animals. Learn as you go, and expand as your skills and confidence grow. 5. Understand water management. Water is life. Install an irrigation system and learn about water conservation to keep your farm sustainable. 6. Choose the right crops or livestock. Pick crops or animals that suit your region and meet market demands. Starting with easy-to-grow options like herbs or chickens is a smart move. 7. Learn about pest and disease control. Protect your crops and animals naturally with eco-friendly solutions. Prevention is cheaper and easier than treatment. 8. Network with other farmers. Join farming groups, attend workshops, and connect with experienced farmers for advice and support. 9. Keep records. Track your farm's expenses, harvests, and progress. Good records help you improve and stay profitable. 10. Be patient and persistent. Farming takes time and effort. Don't be discouraged by setbacks, every challenge is a chance to learn. Call to action. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more farming wisdom. Share your favorite tip in the comments below.